Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites so you don't break builds. First, run Java version or open Android Studio about to confirm your current JDK. Next, download the JDK version required by your Gradle plugin, commonly 11 or 17. You can use TeamUrin or OpenJDK. Once downloaded, don't open Android Studio yet. Close it. Make sure to note the current project JDK path in Settings so you can revert if needed. Now you configure both the IDE and Gradle so builds use the new JDK. Open Android Studio and go to File Settings, Build, Execution, Deployment SDK Location, and set the JDK location to the new install. Then edit Gradle. Properties in your project root and add or update org. Gradle, Java, home to that same path. This ensures command line builds match the IDE. Once changed, sync the project. And if you see compatibility warnings, update the Gradle wrap. Finish by rebuilding and running tests to confirm everything compiles and runs. If you hit compile errors, they're often due to API or language level differences. Fix source or adjust target compatibility in build. Gradle. If Android Studio still reports the old JDK, verify environment variables and Java home outside the IDE, and confirm the IDE JDK setting was saved. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear the Gradle cache. Then invalidate caches / restart Android Studio. That solves most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.